Morena koutou, atamarie, ahi marie, kia ora koutou, wherever you are, whenever you are, tēnā koutou katoa. No mai haere mai to Winchester School, ko Waio, ko Nick Mason aho. I'm the Deputy Principal here and supporting building things Māori here at Winchester School, and this week coming up we are going to be celebrating Te Wiki or Te reo Māori, which is awesome for 2020. Just wanting to communicate some of the events we've got for Te Wiki or Te reo Māori next week. Okay, so it's as easy as 5 things over the week that we're going to be focusing on. Number 1, Rāhina. On Monday, we're going to be joining 1 million New Zealanders to be speaking, listening or singing to Te reo Māori. Rātū, Tuesday, we're going to be connecting or looking at our iwi, all the connections Winchester School whānau can make to the iwi of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Rāapa, Wednesday, we're going to be focusing on our streets, how to pronounce the streets within our area, within our zone, school zone area correctly. Ka pai. Rāpare, Thursday, we're going to be looking at some of our stories. So we've got a lot of Māori readers around the school, so we're going to be looking at some of the stories, using the stories, because it is book week as well, combined. On Rāmere on Friday, we're going to be having a little bit of Rekareka because it is the book character day, dress up day. With that comes a play that the staff put on. So we're going to be doing that, getting dressed up, having a bit of Rekareka and some waiata. So 5 things over the week for Te Wiki or Te reo Māori, and you'll be able to see some of those things and participate over the week. Kia ora.